want to go ahead and disable typing indicator on WhatsApp like Viber and any other messaging application. WhatsApp does not have a setting to turn off typing indicator. However, here are a few options that you can go ahead and follow. Open the chat that you want to message and then turn on airplane mode on your phone. Once you do that, type in your message and send your message, and then close the WhatsApp completely and turn off airplane mode. Your message will be sent without the other person saying typing. And on the web version or the extension version of WhatsApp, you can install a browser extension like W8 Web Plus for WhatsApp. Make sure that you download it from the Chrome Web Store. These extensions let you hide the typing indicator and read receipts. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.